Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view your pending invites on your Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your pending invites on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged into my account. And over here on this interface, after logging into your account, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your username available for us over here at the top left corner of the screen. Hover over your username, and when the drop down menu appears, click on the friends option over here, and over here you can see the third option at the left side of the screen. There it says the pending invites. Just below the add a friend, click on pending invites, and all of the received invites as well as the sent invites from you which are pending will be shown over here. Currently I have not received or sent invites, so these lists are empty, but if in your case you have sent or received invites on your Steam account, they will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to view your pending invites on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.